Want to avoid toll roads while using Waze? In this video, I'll show you how to turn on the avoid tolls option step by step. First, open the Waze app on your phone and tap the menu icon. Then, select Settings and tap Navigation. Look for the section containing your route preferences. Find the option labeled Avoid Toll Roads or Avoid Tolls depending on your version of Waze, then turn this option on. Now, return to the main Waze map and enter your destination. Waze will calculate your route while trying to avoid toll roads whenever possible. Before starting your trip, check the route carefully. Avoiding tolls may result in a longer distance or additional travel time, depending on the roads available. If you change your mind later, simply return to navigation settings and turn off the avoid tolls option. And that's how to avoid tolls on Waze. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Waze tutorials.